Iron ore prices saw a 12th straight day of gains after a cyclone warning was issued for Port Hedland in Australia at the world's largest iron ore export terminal, excavating an already tight market. Iron ore markets caught fire on demand from China's massive infrastructure build-out and worries about supply from Brazil as Vale struggles to return to full production capacity, and Australia, where output from the Pilbara region could be impacted following an inquiry into Rio Tinto's destruction of an Aboriginal heritage site. An Australian parliamentary inquiry into the Rio Tinto's destruction of a 46,000-year-old sacred Aboriginal site has urged the company to halt all mining activities in the Pilbara region, undertake land rehabilitation, and review its agreements with traditional owners. The report concludes landowners of the Duke and George shelters were not sufficiently supported by federal and state governments, native title law, or even their own lawyers, and called Rio Tinto's role inexcusable in what the inquiry describes as a tragedy. China's Tiangi Lithium has sold a 49% interest in Tiangi Lithium Energy Australia, which controls Greenbushes, the world's biggest hard rock lithium mine, to nickel gold miner IGO. IGO has committed to invest $1.4 billion, providing Tiangi with needed cash to make loan repayments that were due at the end of November, but extended to December 28. Tiangi is keeping 51% ownership. Dominion Diamond Mines has reached a deal to sell its Ekati mine in Canada's Northwest Territories to its creditors. Dominion was granted creditor protection in April after mining was suspended and Ekati placed on care and maintenance in March due to the coronavirus. The investment firms will acquire nearly all Dominion's assets in exchange for assuming $70 million in debt.